Oh, now this here is a snow day, and it's pretty cool. I just got here to the airport, got work to do. I've got a 10-hour shift to do today, which will be awesome because I work outside, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna work all day and then figure out what I'm gonna do tonight, because I feel like my usual spot around town is not gonna be available much longer, or I think the much longer part ends right now, because the road getting out there is awful. My friend Gurjong and his Hi-Ace that is 2-wheel drive and not lifted, and completely just not capable in the snow. He's still out there. I'm not sure what his plan is. He's either gonna, I guess he'll either have to stay out there all day until I get off of work and go pull him out, or he wakes up right now and throws the chains on and starts shoveling just to get out of there. But we'll cross that path when we get there. I'm gonna make some coffee, and actually, I don't even think I have time to make some coffee. I'm gonna go straight into work. Today has been crazy. So as some of you know, I work here at the Jackson Hole Airport. I work out on the ramp, so we bring the flights in, do all the bag stuff, and then push the flights out. But when the plane is delayed, then I have the option to stay a little later than I usually do. I'm supposed to clock out at 3:30 every single day, but today is different, because the plane that usually comes in around noon, it came all the way here, and then it left. It said, we're not gonna land, we're gonna go back to where we came from, which means that since we're slightly short-staffed for the later in the day crew, I have the option to stay. So I did, and I've been here since 5 o'clock in the morning, and it's currently 5 o'clock at night. The sun went up, and I worked, and then the sun went down, and I'm still at work, and we're still waiting on those planes, 2 planes now, to come in to Jackson. And honestly, I don't think they're gonna come in, but hey, they need people. I'm sticking around, milking the clock, making that money. I go into our main office, and they're like, do you need a hotel room for tonight? Everyone knows I live in a van. I'm like, not really. I'm completely fine. And they're like, well, other people are getting hotel rooms for tonight. The plane's delayed. You're working all day. We'll get you a hotel room for tonight. So I didn't ask for it. I denied it, and I still got a hotel room, which means I have to drive into Jackson tonight. And I was not planning on it. I was actually planning on just staying within this vicinity of the airport. So yeah, now I have to drive in this terrible weather. It's crazy. Now, the only downside of this is I don't know what time I'm gonna be getting off of work here. It could be 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. The last plane to come in today is scheduled for 9:30, so it could very well be that. If I get off at, let's say, 10:30 at the latest, I have to drive 30 minutes into town, get situated in the hotel room, and then drive back here at about 4:30 in the morning. I have to be here at like 4:30 in the morning. Not a whole lot. I was hoping, like, if we do get off early, I'm definitely going to take advantage of the hotel laundry, because we all know Jackson Laundry, Matt, is not the most affordable thing in the world. It's not that I can't afford it, it's just that I don't like paying $20 every time I have to do laundry. So depending on what time I get up, maybe I'll do that, maybe I won't, I don't know. I'll definitely get a shower in tonight, but in my opinion, booking a hotel room just for a couple hours just to sleep, not worth it. It's not all that. I currently have the van running, and I'm charging up my auxiliary battery because I came out here and I noticed the diesel heater was off. I've been charging my laptop and my camera all day with the diesel heater going, and with this old battery, it doesn't really like to keep up with the modern times that I am living here. So yeah, I have it running. I'm charging it off the alternator. I'll leave it running for about 10 minutes, then I'll kill it, and it should be good for another couple hours with the heater going. And I'll probably just unplug all of the stuff I have to charge because everything's all charged up now. And hey, I've got a hotel room for tonight, so there we go. So I don't have to work Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and like the actual Friday. I don't have to work Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday, and I go back to work on Saturday. I work Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, which is, you know, tomorrow. But yeah, so today is a little bit longer than 10-hour shifts. Hell, it could be 20, I don't know. We'll see what happens. This is just the day in the life of working a full-time job while living in a van. Okay, I'm gonna head back inside now because I'll take this banana. Okay, that'll be my early dinner. Maybe down on Glen, DOG, the burrito place, will be open. I think they're open until 10. So maybe I'll swing by there on my way home. Well, it's a long day. I just got off of work. It's 8:30, which means I worked a lot of hours today. I'm on my way to my company provided hotel room tonight. We'll see how that goes. I haven't slept in an actual room or a hotel in quite some time.
Dude, I'm there. There, wait for me.
10 out of 10? I'll wait for you.
You're going to be there. I'll be waiting a long time.
Yes.
That's what I did when you went to your room to go work on stuff.
Are there waters in here?
There are not. We ran out. We're getting some in the morning.
You have no waters?
No waters.
For Diamond members, no waters.
I don't even get a water. I had to get my frozen one from the car that still hasn't melted.
do I get like 2 sodas? Since you don't have waters?
Hey, I can get you canned sodas if you like.
I mean,
I have the canned ones.
no,
And then I just need a...
One, but I have 2 in my room.
well, you're a real dick. You know that?
And how many keys?
Just fine.
I'm just going to go to bed and feel like shit tomorrow.
Oh,
Yep.
there are witnesses here that said that I tried to split my time.
You tried. I
I tried to
heard.
split my time water.
Perfect. And thank you for being on time. Remember, you do get 2 things from that box right there.
No waters?
I would. If I could just like make them appear in my hand, I would.
Thank you. That's frozen. Alright, I checked into my hotel room here at the Hampton Inn, and it turns out I've actually stayed here before with one of my last jobs. I've stayed here quite a few times actually. So, yeah, it's a hotel room. I haven't even been up to the hotel room. I'm just gonna sleep in the parking lot here because it's easy and people underestimate how comfortable this bed is. I've got heat, I've got a bed. I'm gonna wake up early and go shower in my hotel room that is right inside. But for now, I'm gonna call it a night because I'm pretty wiped out. I'm not even gonna edit this video tonight. I'll do it in the morning, and once I'm done with it, I'll post it right away. Yeah, I'm still working a 10-hour shift tomorrow. I don't know, we'll see. I'll see you guys tomorrow.